Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Is there a link between acrylic nails and cancer? Shamela Pullen explores the issue in this evening's Health Report.
The Health Report is brought to you by
Acrylic nails are popular for making natural nails longer and more attractive. They are made from chemicals that harden to form the nail. Some people worry these chemicals could cause cancer, but dermatologist Dr. Lorenia Muir-Green says in reality, the link between acrylic nails and cancer is not simple and is still not clearly proven.
There is a potential for this to develop in the future in another 10 to 20 years. In Jamaica, we have persons who are of darker complexion, and because of that, we are more at risk for skin cancers in the hands and the feet. Remember, that's where Bob Marley had his melanoma. And because of this, a lot of persons have been going in, getting their nails done, looking beautiful. We're not too sure what is going to happen in the near future.
In addition, repeated exposure to UV lamps used during treatments may increase long-term risk.
However, what we know is that persons can become allergic to these things over time. And we will see persons who will have itchy rashes around their actual, their nail folds, what we call the quit. In the island, you'll see, rashings around there, or redness, or burning, or irritation around those areas. We also see persons experiencing rashes on their eyelids, because a lot of persons forget, we have the habit of just rubbing your eyelids within hands like this, and so transferring the acrylic or the gel onto the eyelid.
But the dermatologist says persons should play it safe by protecting themselves, especially if they're working a nail salon.
Persons can wear them, just don't wear them like clockwork. Use other types of just regular nail polish, or even have a salon that actually uses a different type of curing method to dry the nails. There are LED, there is also ultraviolet or ultra red light, which can be used instead of just using the UV light. Now, the other thing that you may have to think is just do it on special occasions. We all love the gel or the acrylic because they last long, but they do have their risk as well.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.